Today we're going to unbox and test the Ninja Nutri Professional 1100 watt blender. What's up everyone? Welcome back to TeamKLoWhat. I'm Alex.
I'm Yonel. So today we're gonna unbox and review this little product here for you.
The Ninja Professional 1100 watt power blender. The product I think costs about $100, between $79 and $100 at most retailers. So it's something to consider.
First,
instruction booklet.
we don't need no instructions
for this.
We are the instructions.
All right, so here we have one box. We have not one but two covers. We have the Mega Motherload gigantic blender. Thank God this is not the blade. This is very sharp. And of course the cover. This is the cover for this. You want to be very careful with this, as you can just tell.
Next, we have
the to-go cups.
this is what you will use to take it. Oh, actually, this is the actual another blender, the smaller one. So you can also blend with this one. It has a little teeth there, and then inside. And finally, whatever you want to call it, this is it. This is the body, the blender, where all the magic happens on here.
The 1100 watt power is supposed to be able to cut through anything. So we're gonna put it to the test right now.
Alright, so first things first is we have a few items here that we're gonna put to the test. So before you start, let me just remind you what Alex said. This thing is really sharp, just really be careful. The way you put this device in it is basically you put it sideways and then you tilt it and you put it, one more try. We're gonna do it this way. There you go, and then you
twist it the other way.
Twist it. And then we're having a little bit of technical difficulties.
So the way you do it, you basically line it up here.
Yeah, there you go.
And then wait. How does it move?
No. Like I said, I see. And it's supposed to just snap into place. Like that.
Let's unsnap it. Just want you to notice that this is a little difficult to snap and unsnap.
Right. Twist it.
I just want you to witness it took two people to lock and unlock this thing. I'm not really sure if we're not doing it right, but according to the instructions, basically you put it here, line it up, and then twist and lock. It requires a lot of force.
Yeah, I guess maybe it was the first go around.
I don't know. It doesn't look like it's easy to do.
It's a little bit too rough, yeah.
So Ninja,
soften up.
you're just gonna go with a fruit vegetable smoothie. We're gonna add some kale.
How healthy, kid?
Yum. I mean, listen, I gotta get healthy.
That's it.
You can barely see the 1969.
We gotta line up the two.
Yeah, it has a little line.
A little line here to the line in the top, so it tells you where it is. So once you put it there in the back, you push it down, and then
you lock it.
You bring down the lock. So looks like it's in place.
It has a very short cable.
Yeah, we need a little further.
Wow, this is like
too short.
All right, so that's too bad for me. So it has three different types of power measurements, and it also has a pulse. Pulse is just a bzz, 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 bzz.
And you heard it, folks.
Bzz, 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 bzz. And it also has like a single cup. Like I guess if you were using these single cups, you can just press that and it will know what to do. So let's start with some pulsing because I want to see how that's gonna go.
First, have to power it.
Power it up.
All right, so let's try this out.
I think, and this is what always happens when these items are not locked and secure, it will not work.
All right, so what I see here is this is a little bit lifted, so maybe is
you need to press
the
release.
cap.
Yeah,
press release,
like
and let's put this in better, completely all the way down.
Okay.
And then
lock it. All right, cool.
Lock it. All right, and let's see.
So let's see if the power now is gonna work. Nope. And I think it's this base though. So
we have to look at the instructions. In our professional opinion, make sure you read the instructional manual whenever you guys are doing stuff like this.
I don't know what to tell you. Liz, you want to try?
We're gonna try the smaller cups because this guy is failing at it
miserably.
Yeah.
Hold that bottom piece. Folks, this is no joke. This is the real thing. Oh, let's try this with a little bit of the smaller one. So far, not good, Ninja. If you're experiencing or you've experienced a similar issue with your Ninja product, leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Maybe
this is live, people. This is not made up. We put things to the test the way they're supposed to be, and we are expecting the products to work. And right now, this product is not working at all.
Nope. Let's try the little cup. Little cup is a lot easier. Like I mentioned, I have one of these. So now it's locked. Okay.
We're making sazon for the for the meat. The product did work when we put the smaller cup, as you can see. Maybe we want to see if this guy
has like something
maybe
in the bottom.
Let's put more water here.
No, it's not the water, man.
But let's put more water because, as you can see,
okay, we're gonna add more water. All right, cool. So, thank you, water boy. This. Oh my gosh! So we're gonna taste this.
Let's see.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see. You're definitely not opening up a smoothie bar anytime soon. Wait, so let's put this to the side. Okay, well, there we go. We're gonna test the warranty of this product in the next episode. Okay. We're gonna try this one more time.
All right. So normally, the way you put it, you're standing. What I'm trying to see is you're standing in front of it, right, and you're holding it this way. So you kind of, I'm assuming it's going to be this way, and then you kind of slide it. Oh, okay, that was really smooth. Okay, so that actually worked. Looks, it was softer. And now the power is on.
It's on.
It's on and it's completely solid. Before it was blinking. So one note, if you ever see the power blinking when you have this connected, that means it's not properly connected. Yeah, so we're gonna hit it on number 1 and see if it starts. Here we go. Let's go number 1. The way to unlock it is simply you just twist it. So that was
okay. That was pretty smooth.
That was pretty smooth.
All right, so I'll take the blame on that one.
Pretty smooth. Then it has a little lid in the top. You don't even have to take it out. Just open the lid and then start pouring.
Pour it up.
Here we go, sir.
Let's see.
Wow, that looks delicious. Hold on, let me give it a little more.
Okay, I'm good.
You ready to grade?
I'm ready to give it a grade.
Let's go. What do you think out of 5?
All right, so based on the complexity of it, the fact that I've had other blenders that do a better job, I would give it a 2.
Wow. I'm gonna be a little more generous than you right now, and I'm normally not. I'm gonna give it a 2.5.
Wow.
A 2.5. I'll go to 2.5. Why? Initially, we had trouble, as you saw in the video. There's no markers on it. There should be some sort of markings to let me know which is the proper way of doing it.
Yeah,
look, like right now, it's not working.
So for example, if this is the way it's supposed to be lined up, they should have said line it up here, twist it. It needs to be a little bit more user-friendly at the end of the day.
We give it a 2.3.
Hopefully you like this review and unboxing of the, I don't even care anymore.
The Nutri Ninja Pro 1100 watt. It is strong though.
Yeah,
it is strong. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you think about this product and any other blender you would recommend. Let's go.
Let's get out of here.
TeamKLoWhat.